Did you know a simple garage door replacement can get you an 85% return on your investment?
That's because a new garage door can really boost your home's curb appeal. We offer steel, real wood, or wood-free doors available with enhancements like windows and decorative hardware. Cedar Park Overhead Doors can help you add value and beauty to your home. We've been in business for more than 30 years, serving the greater Austin area. Let us open your door to a great day.